In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a chat in Claude AI. Keeping your conversations clearly labeled makes it much easier to find what you need later, and renaming a chat only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Start by opening your Claude account in your browser and signing in. Give the page a moment to load so the full interface appears. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for the section labeled Chats. This is where all of your past and recent conversations are listed in one place, so click that to open your chat list. Next, choose the specific chat you want to rename. Clicking it brings the conversation into focus in the main area, and you'll see the current title at the top. That title bar also contains the options you need to change the name. Move your attention to the top of the chat window and find the small downward-facing arrow next to the chat title. This arrow opens a simple menu of actions for that conversation. Click the arrow to open the menu, then select Rename. A small text field or dialog will appear where you can edit the current title. Click into the field, delete or adjust the existing name, and type your new title. Aim for something short, descriptive, and easy to scan later. Think project name plus topic, or a clear outcome like marketing plan, draft review, or code refactor notes. Avoid adding any personal or sensitive information in the title, since it's visible in your chat list. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. In many cases, pressing Enter will do the same thing, but the Save button makes it crystal clear. You should see the title update immediately at the top of the chat, and you'll also notice the new name reflected in the Chats panel on the left. Nothing about the conversation's content changes, only the label you use to find it. If you change your mind later, you can repeat the same steps to rename it again. If the arrow isn't obvious, try hovering your mouse over the title or widening your browser window so all icons are visible. Interfaces can shift slightly with updates, but the rename option remains in that top title bar menu. That's it. Open your Claude account, go to Chats, select the conversation, use the arrow to choose Rename, enter your new title, and save. Clear names now mean faster navigation later.